My name is Kobe He, and my title is Country Manager of Indonesia, Singapore, and Malaysia, and for the PV and energy storage of Sungrow Power. I think very good. Maybe next time we can enlarge our booth. I think it's a little small for us. I will enlarge the booth next time. Thank you. Yeah.
Saya Aditya, saya sebagai Business Development dari PT JJ Lab Cable Indonesia. PT JJ Lab Cable Indonesia ini menyediakan satu solusi lengkap ya untuk paket panel surya. Jadi di sini kami menyediakan top quality untuk produknya dari panel, inverter, dan juga mounting beserta kabelnya. Jadi kita jual dalam satu bundle. Kita punya panel surya, punya inverter dari Huawei, panel dari Trina, mounting kita pakai Clean Energy, dan kabel kita produksi sendiri dari LAPP. Pameran ini cukup membantu teman-teman di luar sana yang baru akan mulai dan mencari referensi-referensi baru terkait teknologi. Ya, terutama untuk JJ Lab bisnis ini sangat bantu, terutama untuk di branding ya. Exposure kepada masyarakat atau kepada pemain-pemain baru itu sangat bantu di situ sih. Impact-nya cukup positif.
Saya Gistia Hairuniza, saya Business Development dan Project Commercial Officer dari PT ATW Solar Indonesia. Yang kami tampilkan pada saat ini adalah ATW Group secara keseluruhan. Dari ATW Group sendiri ada 3 perusahaan. Terima kasih untuk SolarTech atas event yang sudah diselenggarakan. Sejauh ini eventnya berjalan lancar, kami mendapat banyak koneksi tidak hanya dari Indonesia namun dari mancanegara juga. Kami pun juga mendapat exposure dari pengalaman kami webinar di SolarTech dan juga offline speaker yang diadakan saat ini di SolarTech.
Oke, nama saya Wike, saya Marketing Communication untuk Solis Indonesia. Produk yang kami jual adalah inverter seperti inverter on-grid, off-grid, dan hybrid, serta aksesoris yang pendukungnya. Solis sendiri mengikuti pameran SolarTech untuk menjangkau pasar yang lebih luas. Pameran ini sangat bagus sekali, kami dapat bertemu dengan berbagai macam customer dari Sabang sampai Merauke di seluruh Indonesia.
My name is Mariam, I'm a sales manager at AE Solar. We are Tier 1 German PV module manufacturing company. We're based in Königsberg. I'm from Tbilisi, Georgia office, and I'm very glad to attend the event today, SolarTech Jakarta. At this exhibition, I'm looking for building partnerships, long-lasting, stable partnership in Indonesian market as well as nearby locations. And in Indonesia, market is still developing. It's not as common as in different regions of APEC regions, for example, China and Vietnam. But it is also developing, and I'm happy to be here and to build connections and just do the networking. Thank you.
I'm Yana, I'm the sales manager of GrowWatt Inverter Manufacturers. We are a global top 4 inverter manufacturers and the Indonesia market. We are exploring some opportunities here because we noticed that there are some strong support for the new energy. From our beginning of this exhibition, we found that exhibition is great. That is will help most of the clients and most of the exhibitors to find their opportunities, find their chance, and to get the more strong business. This exhibition we also appreciate for these opportunities. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Carlo. I'm from Canadian Solar. Basically, we are a manufacturer company and we provide solar panels. Yeah, I mean, one of our goals is definitely to expose ourselves more in terms of branding and in terms of how much we can reach out to other people and more projects as well. But not only that, especially in Indonesia, it's a growing nation for a greener future. And we're trying to help the country achieve that goal as well. And we're looking forward to having much more partnerships and much more exposure into this area. A lot of patrons and a lot of people, a lot of traffic coming up this year. I'm pretty sure in the next coming years up ahead, it's going to be much more. I'm looking forward to much more, in a sense, more vibe and much more people coming to explore more about this industry and this technology as well. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Kuntanand. I'm a technical service manager at APAC from the Jinko Solar. You can see that we have like many products for this year, especially for the PV panels, which we launched the new technology with the new cell technology. We call it at the N-type TOPCon. And not just only for the PV panel that we have with the N-type TOPCon technology. This exhibition, I think, is pretty great because, we can see like many brands like come and set the booth. So it's very good for the Indonesian people. It's very good for the Indonesian market that we can learn for the new technology from every band, not just only for the PV panels, but also for the energy storage system, for the mounting, and for the all other technology that we can learn from here. So I think it's very good. Yeah.
Nama saya Edo Besariardi, saya marketing planning di PLN Nusantara Power. Jadi PLN Nusantara Power itu adalah owner dan juga operator dari pembangkit-pembangkit di seluruh Indonesia. Kita memiliki sekitar 30% dari pembangkit di seluruh Indonesia. Dan kita juga memiliki dan juga membangun dan mengoperasikan pembangkit-pembangkit renewable energy terbesar di Indonesia. Contohnya adalah PLTA Cirata dan juga PLTS di Cirata juga. Pameran Solartech ini merupakan ajang atau wadah ya bagi seluruh player-player ya, baik dari sisi vendor, dari sisi investor, dari sisi construction, dan juga owner dari pembangkit-pembangkit untuk bisa bertemu, berkumpul, dan saling mengenal satu sama lain, dan juga menginisiasi bisnis ya, sebagai tempat untuk menginisiasi bisnis dan bisa memperlancar bisnis kita masing-masing begitu. Jadi saya rasa ini acara yang sangat bagus sekali dan acara yang sangat penting untuk menjadi momen gitu ya, momen bagi bertemunya pemain-pemain dan pelaku-pelaku solar energi di Indonesia. Dan kita mendapat banyak manfaat dalam pameran ini.
Nama saya Yabe Supit, saya dari Trina Solar. Trina Solar adalah penjual modul di Indonesia dan di seluruh dunia. Jabatan saya sebagai Sales Manager di Indonesia. Ini adalah tahun ketiga kami mengikuti pameran ini. Crowd cukup oke, dan saya rasa tujuan kami juga adalah biar mengedukasi mengenai renewable energy di Indonesia. Itu adalah salah satu tujuan kami untuk masuk di market Indonesia. Terutama ada salah satu target dari pemerintah untuk menciptakan zero emission untuk Indonesia.
Saya Andreas Arga, biasa dipanggil Andre. Saya sales engineer dari Gotion Indonesia Materials. Gotion sudah hadir di Indonesia. Tentu sebagai market share nomor 3 di dunia, kita bisa memberikan solusi yang sangat baik untuk baterai dan industri kendaraan listrik maupun industri baterai yang ada di Indonesia. Sangat baik, saya apresiasi sekali kepada GEM Indonesia yang mengadakan acara ini. Di hari pertama ini banyak sekali orang-orang yang hadir gitu, dan tentu ini semua karena kerjasama oleh dari GEM Indonesia.
This is Mr. Jong. I'm from Korean company. It's a Prana Solution, which is located in Korea, and we are distributing several module brands in Indonesia. So we are working on SNI certifications with several brands for now. So we are trying to prepare the product for Indonesia market in advance right now. So that is why we joined this PV fair. I think it is a good chance to check the Asia market in advance. We would like to know about the Indonesia people who are interested in new renewable energy, especially for solar business in Indonesia now. So that is our main goal to joining this. So I think it's getting more optimistic. So I hope we can introduce our good modules and any other solar business, solar product in Indonesia market. Yeah, so I hope everything goes well in the future. Sure.
I'm Hugo. I'm from PT Energix Power Indonesia. So we are the master distributor for Blue Tea products in Indonesia. I think this exhibition has been going pretty well. Like a lot of people has been visiting our booth, and a lot of people has been asking very good questions about our product. So we're very happy to answer them and provide them with solutions for their energy issues. Yeah, so far it's going very well. We've collected a lot of contacts. We also gave out a lot of our brochures. Our brochures are actually almost finished. Yeah, we have to restock for tomorrow.
I'm Wendy from PT Apollo Solar Indonesia. I would like to introduce you to our company. We are a local producer of the solar PV market, and we are capable of producing the most advanced solar panels available, namely N-type modules and bifacial technology. Our hopes for this expo is to increase not only our brand awareness, but we would also showcase to the world that Indonesia is capable of solar module manufacturing locally. Our future, we hope, is that we can introduce solar PV modules with export quality into the Indonesian market, and as such, we believe this expo may help us do that.